Hey guys! So guys, you can probably tell by now I have a bad throat and I'm not very happy. I've got a cold and a bad throat and that got me thinking this week, what is worse? A bad throat or a cold? If you've got the cold you can't taste food, if you've got the cough you can't talk properly, and it's so annoying. I can't even shout, like all I want to shout is at the same time, when you've got a cold, you can't eat, you always sniff, you try and smell, you can't smell, it's annoying, it's frustrating. So today guys, I'm going to give you things that will make you feel better. Eat food, what's the saying?
Max!
Yeah?
Yeah!
Okay. You have to feed a cold. Don't talk like Donald Trump. Don't talk like me, because you will get a really, really bad throat and you'll start coughing. This is a Donald Trump cough. My microphone is broken. That I'm not going to include that as a tip because not a lot of people do that, so it's just me. Drink warm liquids. It soothes the throat. Stay hydrated. Always stay hydrated. Don't know why I never drink water. I never stay hydrated. Maybe that's why I'm unwell. Maybe that's what I need to do. Take medicine. Take medicine. You need it. Make sure you. What would I say is worse at the end of all that? What would I say worse? Having both at the same time, because that's what I've got at the moment. I've got a bad throat and a cold, and it's horrible. It really is. There's nothing worse than having it at the same time. So colds can get annoying, very annoying, but a throat is more to do with the pain, as the cold is more of a frustration. So I would say the worst one that you can have is a bad throat. But guys, if you disagree, leave your comments down below. Like if you do agree, and guys, tell me what you think. Oh well, thanks for watching guys. Take care, goodbye for now.